Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys what does like these two finger pointing at each other means. So in other words, it's called finger twiddling. So let me show it to you on Google Chrome. So it's a kind of gesture like a lot of people, use it in the dance and other stuff. But before I tell you what this really means, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on what it really means. So basically what this means is finger twiddling, and finger twiddling is a kind of gesture in Chinese culture, saying like you're a bit of shy. So let me show it to you what it really means, because showing a video is a great way to show you guys what it really means. It's called finger twiddling, and as you guys can see, it's a way to show that you're a bit nervous, like and a lot of people use it in their dance as well. Like you can see Charlie D'Amelio like doing this kind of move on like TikTok as well sometime. So yeah, this is what finger twiddling really means. So let me just show you some photos of it. So yeah, that's basically what finger twiddling means. As you guys can see, a lot of anime work over here, because like it's a gesture used in Japan and China, and as TikTok is a app owned by China, so like it's just a gesture, it's a culture in Japan. So you guys might get what this means. So it's a kind of dance and it's a kind of Chinese culture at the same time. You can say it's a dance representing Chinese culture as well, or you can also say it's a symbol of showing you are nervous and you're playing with your finger. So yeah, it's just a symbol of emotion, I guess. So yeah, that's basically what it really means. There's no such like deep meaning into it. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. We'll be happy to answer you guys and solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day.